Alright guys, this is another video. Let us ride it. Call button. Okay, here we go. So first let me show you something here. I guess.
Because we're only down to one car right now.
Here we go. Check this out. It's got metal bumpers.
No, see that's hers, so we have to take my dad's Jeep into. If he's in Asia, I would normally have it.
Let's ride it up and then I'll ride it down again. Yeah, and it is hydraulic and I will show you the machine room too in this take. Here is your light. Speaking of, I can't turn them off, don't have elevator keys. Maybe they're in the phone box. Well, there is a phone in here, and it is, which somebody took off the hook. Let's look down and attempt to see the hydraulic. I'm gonna prop the door open. Look, let's see it. You can actually see the hydraulic. Yeah. Are you coming on? Okay, then I guess I'll go back down. Also, listen to this alarm bell. This is like, I think the speed here is like 100 feet per minute. Okay. Now, here we go. Let's go. Okay, we'll go up because the elevator machine room's upstairs. So I guess we will. And then here, let's watch this, the button and the door. I'll stay on the back here in the corner. There is no indicator here. Let's watch the door open. Let's get the leveling. Here we go, everybody. You want to listen to a hydraulic motor? Well, here we go.